Good morning, children. Now the poem is over. A time to talk. I've completed the poem and exercise also. Hope you all have copied the answers. Now the next lesson we are not going to do because we are already having 2 lessons and 2 poems for the exam. So we are omitting that lesson, and from that the grammar exercise I am going to take. That is on page 143, grammar. That is degrees of comparison. Now usually adjectives have the degrees of comparison. You all have studied in the small classes, yes, about the degrees of comparison. Soon, sooner, soonest, happy, happier, happiest, yes, er and est forms, yes. So there are some words which we cannot do the comparison, and such words we use. For example, the word good. Good we cannot say gooder, goodest. So instead what will we say? Good, better, best. Same way for bad. Bad, worse, worst. And sometimes for big words we use difficult. For example, the word is difficult. So we cannot say difficulter, difficultest. That is wrong. So there we use the word more and most. More difficult, most difficult. Yes. So now we can compare adverbs also. Adjectives are words which describe noun, and adverbs are words which describe the verb, action words. They are called the verbs, action words. Now we can compare the adverbs also, and we can write it in the 3 forms, just as we do the adjectives. That is in the positive form, comparative form and superlative form. That is er and est forms. That's what is given here, degrees of comparison. Most adverbs can be compared in the same manner as adjectives, positive, comparative and superlative. So the positive, for example, you look at the word soon. Soon is the positive form, sooner is the comparative form, and soonest is the superlative form. Now I told you all the words we cannot write the comparative and the superlative form using er and est. So for some words we have to use the word more and most. For example, look at the word comfortably. There, more comfortably, most comfortably. Now there are other words whose forms can be changed only in an irregular manner. They don't take on the suffixes er or est. They don't end with er or est. Just as I told you with good. Good, better, best. So here for an example is given the well. Well means the superlative, comparative and superlative form will be better and best. There we cannot add er and est form. Now there are several other adverbs called intensifiers, such as example really, extremely, or adverbs of degree, once, now, just, only. So these cannot be changed into the comparative and superlative degrees because the meanings of these adverbs cannot be compared. Now complete these sentences. Use the correct form of the adverbs within the bracket. Number 1, Rahul and Maria can solve the Rubik's cube, but Maria can solve it dash Rahul. In the bracket it is given quickly. So there you cannot say, you cannot add er there. So instead of that we say more quickly. So Maria can solve it more quickly than Rahul. Second one, my sister jogs dash in winter than in summer. The word in bracket is regularly. So there also you have to use more regularly in winter than in summer. 3, Som speaks Spanish quite well. However, among all the students, Ritu speaks the language fluently. In the bracket it is given. So it is Sam can speak Spanish well, but Ritu can speak the best. So there the word to use is most fluently. Number 4, Joe's father has given up eating too many sweets, but the good news is that dash he has given up smoking too. So in the bracket the word is recently. So there Joe's father has given up eating too many sweets, but the good news is that recently he has given up smoking too. Then 5, Ojaswani writes dash, but she needs to write better. There the bracket, the word is well. So Ojaswani writes well, but she needs to write better. So there is no change, it is well only. 6th one, Ravi is good at solving problems, but Rini works them out more efficiently. So they are comparing. Ravi and Rini are compared. So when you are comparing, you have to use more or most or ER or EST form. Now J, circle the error. Errors means mistakes and rewrite the sentences correctly. Number 1, can an emu run fastly? So when you read the sentence, do you find any mistake there? Yes, in the word fastly. Actually, you should write it as can an emu run fast? That is the question. Can an emu run fast, not fastly? Same way the second sentence, Kiran was delayed as her flight arrived lately. There also no need of the ly form. Kiran was delayed as her flight arrived late. 3. Even at the young age of 4, Adil can draw pictures neater than his 8-year-old brother. So their comparison is taking place between Adil and his brother. So when comparison takes place, remember ER or EST form must come there. So for here, for neat, you can write there, Adil can draw pictures more neatly than his brother. So circle neater. 4th one, Cyrus works hard, but of all the 3 brothers, Zubin works the most hard. Circle most hard. And what will be the correct form? Cyrus works hard, but of all the 3 brothers, Zubin works the hardest. 5th one, she reached soonest than she expected to. She reached sooner than she expected to. Now next one is the position of adverb. That is, adverbs are of 3 types. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time and adverbs of place. Now adverbs of manner, they are usually placed after the main verb and sometimes they are placed after the object. So they usually come soon after the main verb. They agreed to say goodbye cheerfully. And second example given there, they kissed their mother quietly. Now adverbs of time, they tell you the time, they show the time. They are usually placed at the end of a sentence, though sometimes they can be placed in different positions. Usually the adverbs of time come at the end of the sentence. We read the book every day. See, every day is coming at the end of the sentence, which shows that it is the adverb of time. We have such funny times and now I can enjoy them. Now is also the adverb of time, showing the time. Now adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjective or the adverb they modify. She calls me Miss Margaret, which is quite proper. And some adverbs of degree are placed before the main verb. Jo almost cried when her mother left. So cried is the main verb there. So you see the verb, the adverb almost comes before the main verb there. Now do the exercise K. Rearrange these words correctly to form a meaningful sentence. Now some words are given there. You have to arrange it in order so that the meaning of the sentence will be correct. First one, heard recently we such a story haven't. So how will you write it? We haven't heard such a story recently. Second one, any match hasn't lost lately our team. Our team hasn't lost any match lately. Third one, our neighbors respectfully we treat. So the answer is we treat our neighbors respectfully. Fourth one, the slices of bread buttered Betty slowly. Betty slowly buttered the slices of bread. Fifth one, for the play waited to begin the audience patiently. So, the audience waited patiently for the play to begin. Sixth one, quickly at the scene, the police officer arrived. The police officer arrived quickly at the scene. 7. The birds outside twittered loudly the window. The birds twittered loudly outside the window. 8. Carefully, Aman and Farah water usually the plants. Usually you start it. Usually Aman and Farah water the plants carefully. 9. Worked the staff today quickly, quiet. Today, comma, the staff worked quite quickly. And 10th one, goes to office rarely, late my brother. My brother rarely goes to office late. Now some adverbs can be used as sentence connectors. That means connecting the sentences, joining the sentences. They can be used in between, at the beginning or in the middle. Now underline the correct adverbs and put a comma where it is required. This bag is light and 3 options are given there. However, on the other hand, therefore. So which was the correct one, children? Therefore, this bag is light and therefore convenient to carry. Second one, your task may be difficult, however, it is to your liking. 3. In addition, dance classes, she takes singing lessons. And 4. He does not like concerts, in fact, he finds them too loud. And the 5th one, she loves animals, on the other hand, she does not like keeping them as pets. Now in that Baro Didi lesson, children, we have got one letter to write. Yes, I will be sending you all the picture of that letter. So when you write the letter, first you have to write the address, from address to address, then it is given on page 77. So all of you all please copy it. With this our portion is over. Prepare well for your exam.